Hi everybody, welcome to Thriller RCI Teacher Edition. I've put together a little routine that only lasts about a minute, and it has some basic moves that are thriller-esque. So hopefully everybody has a little bit of fun with it and we entertain the students. I'm going to show you right now the 7 steps that I've put in this routine, kind of broken down slowly. So if you want to learn that way. And I'm also going to do this where I mirror you. So when I say step right, you're going to step with your right, and I'll be stepping the opposite way, but it'll look like we are a mirror if you're watching this on the screen. Okay, so the first move that we're going to do is we do 8 really slow zombie walks. So arms are just down, we're acting like, you know, we're kind of floppy and dead, and we just do 8 walks forward starting our right foot. So we go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So that's pretty easy, and we'll kind of come onto the stage sort of doing that walk. Then the next walk is a little bit faster, and there's a little head twitch in it. The head twitch happens on counts 1, 5, and 7. Again, you're going to start the walking with your right leg, but it's going to look like this. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the third step that you're going to do is we're going to turn to the side and we're going to flop down. And as you flop down, you're going to step forwards with your right foot. So forwards, and then bring your feet together, and forwards, and then bring your feet together. It's kind of like you're just flopping and your head is hanging because you're dead. After that step, then we're going to come up and we're going to do like monster arms. And all you're going to do is you're going to step forwards again on your right foot with claws for hands, 2, and then you're going to switch to the other side and do 2 claws forward. Then we're going to turn and we're going to repeat that. 2 claws forward, turn, 2 claws forward. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to turn again and get into, like, stick your bum out. And we're going to do the traditional Michael Jackson hip thrust. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn. And then we're going to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So have fun with that one. I'm sure the kids will all laugh seeing some of their teachers do that little hip thrust. The next thing, it's like the very well-known thriller walk. So again, you kind of have your monster arms up to the side. And to do this, we do 3 steps, then turn, turn, 3 steps, turn, turn. And we're going to do that sequence twice. So it's going to look like this. You're going to, sorry, doing it the wrong way. You're going to start going to your right, and you're going to go right, left, turn, turn, left, turn, turn, right, turn, turn, left, turn, turn. So after we've done that twice, all we're going to do after that is we're just going to do like a little arm swing and then act like we're hanging dead, and then another arm swinging and we're acting like we're dead. And then what I imagine happening after that is that we kind of do a slow get up, and then we kind of zombie walk off of the stage, so everybody can come off of the stage and kind of think we go into the audience and sort of scare some kids. And if Greg and Charlotte are in the audience still acting scared, what would be really great at that time is that if they could start making their way, like they're running away from us zombies who are coming after them. So we could maybe have a couple zombies chasing them, and then they come running back up onto the stage acting like they're scared, and the music will be sort of coming to an end. And basically then the show will end, probably the assembly will end, and we'll just have somebody close the curtain behind them when there's like that's the crazy cackle sound at the end of the song, and then everybody can go back to their classes and enjoy the rest of the day. So I hope you have fun with it, and thank you for not leaving me alone on stage, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.